Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Josh Moore and of course this is African Focus. So I have a series of videos that I took a while back and I haven't really gotten the time to upload them, and this one is about the Lamu port. Yes, Lamu port is a Lappset project, and just to tell you a little bit about the Lappset corridor, it's a program in Eastern Africa. It's the largest and most ambitious infrastructure project. It's bringing together Kenya, Ethiopia and South Sudan. This major project consists of 7 key infrastructure projects, starting with a new 32-berth port at Lamu, Kenya, which is this project that I am showing you. Interregional highways from Lamu to Isiolo, Isiolo to Juba, Isiolo to Addis Ababa, and Lamu to Garsen. Crude oil pipeline from Lamu to Isiolo, Isiolo to Juba. Product oil pipeline from Lamu to Isiolo, Isiolo to Addis Ababa. Interregional standard gauge railway lines from Lamu to Isiolo, Isiolo to Juba, Isiolo to Addis Ababa, and Nairobi to Isiolo. 3 international airports, 1 each at Lamu, Isiolo, and Lake Turkana. 3 resort cities, 1 each at Lamu, Isiolo, and Lake Turkana, and the multipurpose High Grand Fall Dam along the Tana River. We just arrived at the port. We're here at the port. This is how it looks like. Blue waters at the edge. I'm going to show you in a few. And on the other side, they're still constructing more and more of the yard where the port is going to be. So yeah guys, this is the place. It looks nice. So currently, the construction of the $400 million first phase of Kenya's second commercial port in Lamu has been completed. The second and third berths were completed in December, paving the way for government to float a tender to private companies to construct 20 more berths under a public-private partnership to complete the 23-berth facility. The first 3 berths and yards of the port of Lamu are now complete, with plans to begin operations at berth 2 and 3 in 2022. KPA is acquiring modern equipment, including 3 mobile harbor cranes and a ship-to-shore gantry cranes to complement operations at the port. Phase 1 was construction of the first 3 berths and associated infrastructure, each with a depth of 17.5 meters and a length of 400 meters. The 3 berths are designed to handle container, general, and bulk cargo. KPA is optimistic over the prospects of Lamu Port positioning as the regional transshipment hub following completion of the first phase, which began in 2006. The port, which was developed by China Communication Construction Company, is crucial in addressing global logistical needs regionally, as well as grow the country's blue economy agenda. In May 2021, President Uhuru Kenyatta inaugurated the first berth with most of the equipment, cranes, trailers, grantees, forklifts, spreader and oil spill response borrowed from Mombasa Port. Since then, lack of sufficient yard operation equipment has forced Lamu to only attract ships that have their own gear for operations. Lamu has so far handled 9 vessels since May